Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Casio Square that features the module 3495. So this is going to work for the GWM5610, just like this one, the GW5000 and the GWS5600. Now the first thing that you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for 3 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep. Here we are going to be able to toggle between the different options such as the home city, the DST, using the mode button. So if I press it, I'm going to go to the DST, then I'm going to arrive at resetting the seconds. If I reset them between 30 and 59, they are going to reset to 0, but a minute is also going to be added. If I reset them between 1 and 29, they are going to reset to 0, but no minute is going to be added. Now I'm going to press the mode button, and here we can adjust the hours. I can use the upper button in order to go backwards, or the lower one in order to go forward. Now if I press and hold, it is going to speed scroll, so you can do that as well. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here we are going to arrive at setting the minutes. Once again, the same principle applies. You can also press and hold in order to speed scroll. I'm going to make it 13 and 10. Then I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here we are going to arrive at setting the year, the month, and the day of the month. Casio is going to automatically calculate the day of the week for you as long as these are put in correctly. Also, make sure that you know whether you have the day and month or the month and date. I'm also going to show you how to change that. So the first thing, we have the year. I can go backwards or forward. You can go up to 2099, after which it is going to go back to 2000. Let me show you that as well. As you can see, 2099, and then we are going to arrive at 2000. I'm going to make it 2031, just like that. I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here I can select the month. As you can see, in case you are unsure, you can go past 12 and you are going to see the month. Usually you are first going to be able to set the month and then the day of the month. So I'm going to make it January. Going to press the mode button, and let's make it the 1st of January. So I'm going to use the speed scroll function, and I'm going to make it the 1st of January 2031. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here we can also choose between 12-hour display and 24-hour display, which is going to be military time. If I press the lower button, I'm going to switch between 12-hour display, as you can see, 1 p.m. we have the P from PM, or as I prefer military time, I'm going to see 13. Now I'm going to press the mode button, and here I can switch between the day and month or the month and date display on my Casio. I prefer the day and month. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here you can select the language when it comes to your day of the week. As you can see, we have Spanish, French, German, Italian, and also Russian. So this is only for the day of the week. Then I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here I have the ketone and other options. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this module, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, and I'm going to explain all the functions and features, including the world time function, the alarm, the chrono. Once you have correctly set everything, you can press the adjust button. In case you made a mistake, you can use the mode button in order to arrive once again at the mistake that you made, change it, and then either move forward in order to change something else, or then you are going to press the adjust button in order to end the process. As you can see, it is going to keep on cycling between all of these options. Press adjust, we are done. As you can see, we have the day of the week right here, Monday, and that was all, guys. Once again, make sure to check out the full video in the description box below. And also, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're interested in buying vintage watches, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Subscribe, guys, and I'm going to see you on the next video.